Hi, this is one of those plugins that you either need or you don't need, and it's a delayed content timer plugin. If you look here, you can see the buy button appears after, in this particular case, 8 seconds, because I set it to give me enough time to get the video going. But it's very simple to use. If I go to the edit page side of things, all I do is put a little bit of shortcode in, which is timed content delayer, then the number of seconds you want it to delay for, message if any, and then what you want to appear afterwards, and then that bit to say that things ended. So just very simple tag, and that can be anything, that buy button. It's just there to do it. And people typically use this for sales pages. You'll have seen them a lot on places like ClickBank and stuff like that, where the video plays for what seems like forever, and then eventually the buy button arrives. As I said, that text didn't need to be there, and that's how it is. So if you want to buy it, you're more than welcome. It's very easy to install. You just download the zip file, add it to plugins, and activate it as you'd normally do any other plugin, and then use the shortcode that's in the description of the plugin anyway. So you've got it all there, ready to use. So have a go.